Alright, here's the part you guys have been waiting for. Let's go ahead and go for a drive. Go ahead and turn that off. Yeah, here you guys will really see how loud this thing is. Roll down the window for added effect. It is so loud. Oh my god. Keep hitting my GoPro on the roof of my car. It just crackles. I love it.
If you need the receipt, please press the receipt button.
Alright, let's go ahead and get out of here. God, I look fucking goofy. There we go. We're gonna turn left here. Roads. God, with all this coronavirus stuff going around, man, these streets are, downtown is always popping here, and it's just so empty. Like, there is nothing going on. Like, even for a Sunday, people, like last weekend, people were out walking around being stupid, not listening to the rules, but now it seems like everyone's kind of staying inside or staying away from people, except for a few here. Oh, we got the purple Camaro to our right. Reckon being obnoxiously loud as well. Hello. Here we might be able to actually get on it a little bit. Looks like we got a little meet going on, and that is the thing that I am trying to avoid, is just social gatherings right now, because I am not trying to risk anything right now. All the cars are out today. Alright, let's take a right. Let's go this way and let's get on it a little bit. We got some open roads here. I mean, not so open, but we'll get to it. Take a little loop that I like to do. Oh. Go. have to cool it a little bit here for a minute. Alright guys, I think that's gonna conclude the video now that our fun has been interrupted. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you guys next time.